Hi everyone, it's Briham, and today we are going to be taking 15 minutes. That's right, just 15 minutes to see how much we can clean, or how much I can clean of this disaster that is my room. So, without further ado, let's get started. I just want to make a quick note. I'm starting at about 12 minutes because my toddler turned off my camera without me realizing it, and I missed out on about 3 minutes of footage. So yeah, other than that, I have not edited anything other than speeding up the video so that you won't have to sit there for 15 minutes and watch me. Alright you guys, so my timer just ended, but it doesn't look too bad. I mean, it still looks awful, don't get me wrong. I still have to clean off the flat surfaces, and the floor needs a good vacuum. I have 3 kids and they spill stuff everywhere. So yeah, I will be getting my carpet cleaned very soon. But yeah, I wasn't able to do everything, but the objective of this exercise was to just show you guys what could be accomplished in just 15 minutes. I think it looks a lot better than it did before. So I'm gonna go ahead and set a timer for 5 more minutes off camera, and I'm gonna finish picking up and at least sweep the floor. But that's it for this video. If you liked this type of video, timed cleaning, let me know in the comments below, and let me know how much you're able to accomplish in just 15 minutes. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.